Assalamu alaikum dear viewers. I have a one higher LCD TV to repair. Let's see what is the problem. We turn on. Okay, TV has been green light. Yeah, so this display has come for just for 2 seconds, then it has gone. Try again. Okay, off. Okay, now it's red light, then turn on. Now it's green light. Yeah, TV screen has come and then gone. The TV screen is staying only for 2 seconds, then gone, but still there is green light. Okay, so if it's like this situation, we have to see there is a picture or not by a flashlight. Yeah, we'll press menu button, then see, if I press menu, see number 4. If I press, see, scan, see number 4 is showing, so there is picture. See, if I press menu, gone. So if I press again, yeah, it has come. So there is picture but no backlight. Yeah, this LCD TV. So I hopefully this TV will be problem in the backlight driver. So let's see how to repair it. I'll open the all the screws. I'll remove all the screws, then video will be back. Yeah, dear viewers, this is the power supply, this is the main board, and this is our backlight driver. And problem is this backlight driver. So I'll remove all the screws and I have to remove the driver, then we have to find out what is the problem. Hi dear viewers, I have removed the LED backlight driver cover. Okay, then we have to remove this connector, then we have to, yeah, this is our backlight driver. Okay, most of times its problem is in the connector. Here there is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 connector, and this connector will clean by sandpaper. Yeah, sandpaper. Yeah, after we clean, see, sorry guys, cannot see, it looks shine. It's very shiny. Because this LED is backlight is, sorry, it's not LED, it's high voltage. It's LCD. There is not LED LCD. They use a high voltage, so always is a problem in the connector. So I have cleaned it. So let's see. We'll plug it. Yes. This is the cover, backlit cover. And plug in. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Then turn it on. Okay, there is a red light, and then by remote we turn it on. Okay, now it's green light. Inshallah will be okay. Yeah, our display has come. Last time it was problem, it's the display stay only for 2-3 seconds only. So now let's see for 1 minute. So if we press by menu, yeah. Before when I starting time, I show you press menu and it's showing 4, number 4. Yeah, this is the 4. Yeah, 4. That time I have shown you by flashlight 4, number 4, menu, press menu 4. Yeah, this is the 4. Yeah, that time I was trying like this. Press menu 4, then press menu, again press menu. Yeah, so inshallah TV is okay. Alhamdulillah TV is okay.